Here he goes. Jake the Snake on a flyby numero 1. Smooth shifting car. Wow, sounds great. Winner. That was funny. I can't tell you what he said. It was funny. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1965 Ford Mustang GT with a Rally Pac gauges. It's got AC, it's got the 289, it's got a 4-barrel and a 4-speed. Honestly, it's everything you want. It's just beautiful. It's that wonderful coupe with bucket seats. Love the buckets. Oh, the door. The way the Mustang doors open, they just pop right open.
Yeah, these doors open and close. Fantastic. Blue seats.
Everything's Caspian Blue.
Everything's
Caspian
blue. Blue interior, blue steering column, dashboard. Does have the AC down there, which is absolutely awesome. Big old steering wheel. Chrome door handles. Chrome little like fake vents there on the side. Oh, sorry, I have the keys in my pocket.
I'm not reaching in your pocket.
I know you're not. Here you go. Let's see if you can remember which key opens the trunk.
Oh, it's one of them.
But it's got the awesome Mustang wheels, the white stripes down on the bottom, chrome on the bottom as well, around the windows. Nice trunk.
Very nice trunk. Nice cover. Ooh, there's
floor
a
mats
spare
back
tire.
there. Full spare, yep. Everything's
nice.
Very well done back here.
Caspian
Very nice.
Blue.
You got the plaid mat because Mustang.
Mustang stuff. There's the side door with cranky windows.
Cranky windows, they're not mad at you.
They're not mad at you at all.
You just gotta crank them up and down. Very nice door panels. Guess what color they are?
Oh, I'm gonna guess blue.
Yeah, they're blue. Just like everything else. There's the AC down there. Very cool, the AC units in these Mustangs. Blue back seats as well. Very nice.
Oh.
Doors closed, fantastic. Hey, what's in here?
Well, it's 289. The little latch is right here. And
Very
it's
nice.
got AC, factory AC car. Isn't that cool?
It's awesome.
It is nice.
That's that big old thing right there, isn't it?
It's that big old thing right there.
It's massive.
It's not small.
I love the gold painted engine
I think it's neat.
with the gold air cleaner. It says 289. This thing's awesome. Got the Ford Motor Company little bag right there. Always a nice touch.
Isn't it
love
though?
the chrome grille. This one's got the fog lights in the middle too.
Love them.
Looks absolutely awesome. Chrome bumpers, of course,
Of course.
because it's the 60s, and you even have the little chrome strip on top of the hood there, on the nose, and then the Ford badge. This
miss it.
paint's a really cool color, actually.
Caspian Blue.
Kind of sparkly.
It's sparkly.
Very nice. You ready to start it up and hear it?
Absolutely. Look at those old keys, by the way. I love them. They got the little pony on them. I think these are cool.
Those are cool.
I think so. You
All
ready?
right, let's start it up.
Let's do it.
Here's your mic.
Oh, well, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Doors open fantastic.
I know. That's a Ford thing.
You press
for
the little
sure.
button on the handle and the whole door kind of like pops out at you. Like it wants to open.
It does, because it wants you in here to drive it.
And it latches closed very nice too.
Why wouldn't you?
Nice. Very cool. Here we go. 1965. Not the first year of the Mustang.
No.
There was a 64 and a half.
And it was, well,
I guess you could call this the first full year of the Mustang.
there you go. Let's do that. And it's definitely a pretty car.
It's very pretty. I love the blue.
I like the rally gauges. I love the RPM gauge.
Although you can't tell what color it is, probably.
No, it looks great. But that's just what it is for me. I'm a colorblind fool.
Yes, you
My
are a
blue greens
colorblind
are
fool.
terrible.
If you want to stop up here before making a left, I want to see these gauges on the camera.
Oh, you do need to see them on the camera.
It has the Rally Pac gauges on the steering column there. Let me see if I can get a gander.
Here.
Very nice. Yeah, there we go. You got an RPM gauge and a clock, I think, right there.
Yep.
You even got the blinkers up there in the dash, speedo and everything. The gauges in this thing are cool.
They are.
Temp gauge, of course. You always need a temp gauge.
You do. And I know we're not up to temp at all.
No, we're not up to temp yet. We just cold started it. I had it sitting out there for a while I ate lunch. So we can do a cold start.
Oh, it sounds good.
Shift's nice. It's not that cold today.
No.
It's in the 80s, I think.
Yeah. Feels good though.
But it's as cold as a cold start's gonna get here in the spring in Missouri.
Gotta love this weather.
I do like this weather. It's been very nice recently. It seems like it shifts pretty good. Got a nice 4-speed. Gotta love a 4-speed.
You do.
Here we go around the roundabout. Handle's pretty good.
Wow, it sounds great. Can't wait to do the flybys.
Yeah, I don't know what exhaust is on this car exactly, but it's very rowdy.
It is. For a 65 289, they're normally kind of quiet, but not this little fella.
I like it though. It's not too rowdy by any means.
Well, and it drives great.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really comfortable.
Goes in a straight line. Brakes are good. Oh, we got a horn.
I love a nice horn.
Yeah, you have the big steering wheel over here.
You do.
Big and chrome.
Big and
The
chrome.
Mustang badge in the middle of it.
It drives nice and straight.
It does.
And these aren't manual brakes, but they work. Ooh, they work real good.
I kind of like manual brakes.
I have no problems with it. Like the race car we drove, or you drove, I can't fit
Yeah, you didn't drive it, but
Can't fit it.
you get some nice feel with the manual brakes, and as long as they work good like these,
Yeah.
doesn't matter. You're using a slightly stronger right leg. You even have a Ford radio down here, up here on the dash.
You do.
And then down below that, that's your air conditioning. The controls are directly on the unit.
By the way, that was a big option back then.
Oh,
big
it's
time
blowing.
option.
Oh wow, it's already cold.
Oh, good
It's getting
Lord.
cool. I'm gonna leave that on. It's quite nice.
I'm loving life.
Yeah, and then these the vents are pretty cool. Twist them around like that. Put it where you want to go. Wow, it's actually getting even colder now.
Wow.
And then your heat controls are like normal Mustang. They're up there. That's where normally you would have just your air controls. If
Honestly,
you didn't,
this was expensive to do that back in '65 to get AC.
I'm sure it was.
It's cheap.
This thing is a well-optioned car. They even have a glove box over here by me. And inside my lovely glove box is the owner's manual.
Oh, look at that.
1965 registered owner's manual. Got the table of contents on the front. And the red, white, and blue behind the Mustang.
Oh, it sounds good. It
Very
runs
cool.
nice. How about this AC?
The AC's kicking. It's actually really cold.
Wow. I think we can hang meat in here.
We don't even need to charge this. The temp wasn't even all the way down.
This is a smooth driving car. Boy, this is nice.
I just put the temp down as low as it goes.
Oh, to make us freeze?
Here's the dashboard. Great condition.
Oh.
No cracks or
What color is that, Jake?
we're chipping it. I think it's a blue. It's a blue dash.
I feel a theme.
Very cool color though. Oh, we're up to our bean test already.
Doesn't take long. It's beautiful
No, it
air
doesn't.
conditioning.
All right. Let's go. I'm gonna turn this off. We can hear it. Second gear. Oh,
Not
wow.
bad at all.
Oh, listen to it reverberate off the fence. Oh, that's so nice. This thing's
It's
pretty.
really, really nice.
This is funky.
It's wait till you drive it. It is very, very nice. The transmission is whew. You know
Whoa.
what? Sometimes they're not. Sometimes they're just not. This is.
This
and
is
I
a
like
nice
it.
4-speed.
They've done a very good job. Boy, I'm excited.
I do like it, and I like the shift knob on it. Down there.
Sorry.
The black shift knob's very cool. It slots right into gear. I did drive it a little bit before we did.
I like these brakes.
This video this
Don't
morning.
be afraid. Don't be afraid.
I'm not.
You're soaring.
I trust you. I don't trust him.
He should trust me.
Do we have power steering?
No. This is Armstrong steering, but it's the best.
Well, it didn't feel too heavy earlier when I was driving it. Felt pretty good.
Very easy to move. It's a light car. It's a fun car. I'll tell you right now, this is a nice car.
It's a very highly optioned car.
Yes. I love the Rally Pac. Love the gauges.
Yeah, it's not often you see the Rally Pac gauges and air conditioning in the same 65 Mustang.
True that.
And it sounds great. You ready to do some flybys?
Let's do it.
Oh, also, AM FM radio.
Ooh.
You switch it back and forth.
No static at all.
No.
All right.
And sorry, I forgot to mention.
How dare you?
Cigarette lighter. In case you want to take up smoking.
Don't do it, kids.
We don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. And this will probably smoke its tires. But I'm not going to do that.
Isn't that nice of him?
All right, let's do flybys.
Let's go. And there he is, the young man. Here he goes. Jake the Snake on a flyby numero 1. Smooth shifting car. Wow, sounds great. Good gravy. Woo-hoo. Sounds great, Jake. Hope we didn't run out of gas. Well, well, well. You had a little fun out there, didn't you?
I had too much fun out there, Chris.
Is there such thing as too much fun?
This thing is awesome.
It is.
How did it sound?
Sounded great, but man, it shifts so nice. Even it sounds good when it passes
every
by.
single shift is buttery, notchy, slots right into gear. Sounds amazing. On the downshifts, there's a little brabble, pops and bangs. Yeah, it's awesome.
It is great.
But it's so comfortable because I had an AC blowing on me the whole time, and a tack and a clock, and it's pretty mint in here actually. This is a really comfy
got everything
seat.
you need.
I know, and it's blue.
This one you need to send me that video.
All right, you ready to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's do it.